Mr. B!
Oh, hello, friends! I wanted to show you some magic today.
Oh, did somebody say magic?
Hi, Fuzz. Yeah, I was going to show everyone a magic trick.
I love magic. Can I watch?
You sure can.
Oh, thanks, Mr. B.
Let's start with this deck of cards. Well, can you tell me what shape this is?
Is it a square, Mr. B?
Almost, Fuzz. Well, this is a rectangle. Rectangles have two short sides and two long sides. Now let's take this black box.
Oh, that's a rectangle too.
Well, you're right. Two short sides and two long sides. Now all I have to do is place this deck of cards into the box and say the magic word.
What's the magic word, Mr. B?
The magic word is rectangle cadabra.
Rectangle cadabra? Well, that's kind of like abracadabra.
Did you say have a banana?
No, Mr. B. Abracadabra.
Oh, right. Well, it is like abracadabra. Well, okay, Fuzz. Let's say the magic word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rectangle cadabra.
So what happened, Mr. B?
Well, the deck of cards disappeared.
Wow, Mr. B.
Let's say the magic word again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rectangle cadabra.
Whoa, the cards are there again. Do it again, Mr. B.
Okay. Well, let's say the magic word then. 1, 2, 3.
Rectangle cadabra. Whoa, that's a cool magic trick. Chaw.
Well, if you want to learn how to make your own magic tricks, well, visit my website, 123mrb.com, where you can learn how to be the magician.
Chaw, right on, Mr. B. What's your favorite shape, Bosco?
I like circles.
My favorite shape is a rectangle.
What is your favorite shape? Is it a square or is it a rectangle? That would be fair. Both of them have four sides, yes, it's true, but a rectangle is different. It's got two and two short sides and two long sides, yes sirree. Two short sides and two long sides is what you need. A rectangle has two short sides and two that are long. It's not a square, this is the rectangle song. Two short sides and two long sides, yes sirree. Two short sides and two long sides is what you need. A rectangle has two short sides and two that are long. It's not a square, this is the rectangle song.
Can we see more rectangle magic, Mr. B?
Well, sure, Fuzz. Well, here, I have a red rectangle box. Well, let's take a look inside.
Well, I don't see anything.
Me neither. Do you see anything? No? Okay. Well, do you remember our magic word, Fuzz?
Rectangle cadabra.
That's right. Everyone, let's all say the magic word. 1, 2, 3.
Rectangle cadabra.
Well, let's open the box and see what happened.
What is it, Mr. B?
I don't know. Well, but there's a lot of it.
Whoa. Whoa, Mr. B. Jaw. Whoa. No way. Wow, Mr. B. Whoa.
This is the alphabet song. It's not very long. Let's do I.
Ice.
I.
Igloo.
I.
these colors?
Gold. Pink. White.
I makes two sounds, I and I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. What is this color?
Yellow.
I is for iguana. Iguana.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Hello, friends. That was a tongue twister. Tongue twisters are goofy and fun to say. Here's another one. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Lots of tongue twisters use words that rhyme. Let's see if we can use words that rhyme to make up our own tongue twister. Well, can you think of a word that rhymes with toy?
Boy, Roy, enjoy, annoy.
Hi, Squeaky. Okay, you said boy, Roy, annoy, enjoy. Well, do these all rhyme with toy?
Boy, Roy, enjoy, annoy. Yes, all rhyme with toy.
Okay, I'm going to use these words and my imagination to create a tongue twister. Roy the boy enjoyed his toy until the toy annoyed the boy.
Ooh, I want to say it too.
Okay, Squeaky, repeat after me. Roy the boy enjoyed his toy
Roy the boy enjoyed his toy
until the toy annoyed the boy.
until the toy annoyed the boy.
Well, good. Now put it all together. Roy the boy enjoyed his toy until the toy annoyed the boy.
Roy the boy enjoyed his toy
Until the toy annoyed the boy.
Roy the boy enjoyed his toy until the toy annoyed the boy.
That was fantastic.
I like tongue twisters.
Me too, Squeaky. Me too.
Ache. Bake. Ache. Cake. Ache. Snake.
I want to bake a cake with a snake named Jake. Then take the cake down to the lake. Make no mistake, I'm gonna eat that cake. The cake I made with Jake the snake. Shaw.
Id. Kid. Id. Lid. Id. Squid.
Said the kid, put a lid on a squid. The squid's lid slid. Oh yes it did. Then said the kid, got rid of that lid and hid the squid somewhere in Madrid. Cha, rhyming is awesome.
Well, how about a word that rhymes with pig?
Ooh, big wig, fig.
Yep, those rhyme with pig. Okay, here comes the imagination. The big pig ate a big fig and wore a big wig.
My turn. The big pig,
Ate a big fig.
ate a big fig and wore a big wig. The big pig ate a big fig and wore a big wig. More.
Okay, how about a word that rhymes with yellow?
Mellow, cello, bellow. Hello!
Mr. B.